Hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So we are getting ready to go ahead and get right into this video. So it seems like this week is the week for dragging. All right. So last night, I was able to catch Liv on live. So first of all, I guess Liv was live first and then Chrissy went live. But see, what happened was Chrissy, she's just been a clown lately. Well, she's been a clown all the time. But I just was like clowned out because I'm like, that video, that took a lot out of me. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to fall back on Chrissy, because I'm sure somebody will send me an email and tell me what happened and ask me to do a video on it. And that is exactly what happened. They sent your girl a message and let me know everything that was talked about in that video. So I decided to go ahead on over there to Liv. All right. Now, Liv, like I keep saying, I know that you are off the hook as well. All right. I know how you get down. I know you know how you get down in these streets. But see, the thing about you, Liv, is that you are extremely petty. So what got me was the fact that Chrissy decided to get in it with you, with all the Houston stuff like that or whatever, where, you know, she told Bam that basically you were jealous of her because she was coming out with her own lash line. Yeah, that's what he told me. And I mean, it's like the second or third time I'd have told you, Liv. But yeah, Chrissy said that I was jealous of her because she was coming out with her own lash line. But also, Liv, too, I was confused. Now, Liv, the reason why I was confused is because you literally came out with your own lash line way before Chrissy. Okay? And you sold right on out. And not only did you sell out, but you have been keeping the lashes in stock. And you know what, Liv? I can't even be mad at you, because that is what a boss bitch does. But Liv, why do you feel the need to drag Starla all the time? And well, you know, to me, it don't really, you know, I don't get upset about it, because to me, I'm for real. I think it's kind of funny. Okay, and the reason why I think it's kind of funny is because that I would have never befriended you again. Okay, and if I did, there would have been certain things that you would not have seen me do at all. I would have never asked you for, you know, the $50 that she needed or whatever, the 5 10s. You know what I'm saying? Or just a $50 bill, or, you know, the 51s. Yeah, you know, whatever. I would have never asked you that. But Liv, girl, tell us why she needed that $50. Like, I mean, I just want to know. I just want to know, what was it that she needed that $50 for? Like, and I gotta say, I'm just so confused, because I'm like, wait a minute. You got 7 baby fathers, okay? You have brothers, you have sisters. And you mean to tell me you, like Chrissy said, the boss bitch that she is, okay, and she's always gonna stay that way. She's always gonna be confident because she knows that she is that bitch. You could not go to any of them and get $50. And yes, I am still on this $50 trip, because it's kind of like $50. Like, real $50? which is basically no money. That's like somebody really asking me, can they borrow $10? And she asked you, and then when you decided to get into it with her, you went right head on and put her business right on out there. And I gotta say, Liv, that was a good one. That's a good job. Like, you gotta. And you know what else, Liv? It ain't no way of her coming back from this. I mean, it ain't no way. And Liv, not only that, but Liv, I can't believe that you done turned yourself into a reactor. You done turned yourself. Oh, and look at my shirt, the entrepreneur life. Yeah. You turned yourself into a complete reactor. All right. So last night, you basically gave Chrissy the blues. And you know what, Liv? I gotta say that you were right. But also, Liv, simmer down a little bit. Because you was upset. You said the video was in poor taste and stuff like that. But Liv, come on now. Don't forget that you was on you know, you was in the bathroom molesting a wall with those, you know, panties on. And then, you know, the peach panties, Liv. But other than that, I can't even say nothing, Liv. You've been going strong. I ain't even seen no drama on your channel. I mean, and they even saying, well, you know, YouTube get ready to come out with checks and everything. So Liv ain't had no drama or nothing. So she had to make this up or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, but I gotta say, even though you made it up, Liv, thanks for giving me some more content because, I mean, you know, it is what it is. Truthfully speaking, I haven't even been reacting to Chrissy because what y'all need to see, and like I said in the last video, when I react to her, okay, I am reacting to a whole nother set of people with higher standards than her. Okay? And those views that I get when I react to her, I am getting those reviews right now. So therefore, that's a little test for you guys. Test over, okay? Because see, a lot of time too, what people think is they are going to stop you from reacting. Yeah, I don't have nothing to say to it. You don't have nothing to say to it. But I gotta say, Liv, you've been quiet, calm, collective, you know, doing your hauls and everything. You know what I mean? And then you just pop up out of the blue and shame Chrissy to the gods, okay? And it's so funny because Chrissy keeps saying, I'm winning. Now, I don't know if her definition of winning is the same as mine's, but just looking in at her right now, I don't see her winning. Also, in one of the clips of the video that someone sent me, she said that we, the reactors, are mad right now, but in a couple more months, we are going to be even madder. Chrissy, why don't you get it through your lace front that we are not going to be madder? We don't give a shit. Chrissy, what we do is we react to your content because that is what our subscribers want to hear and see. Okay? So I don't be understanding. I still don't get it when you say that we're going to be mad or we're jealous of we're haters. We could care less. All right? I never ever want to have to go to someone that I am not friends with and say, can you please let me borrow $50? Okay? I would never ever want to do that. That is literally like you know Jackie Anna and you know Jeffree Star, you know they don't mix. They don't get along. That's literally like her going to Jeffree Star and say, can I borrow $50? That will never ever happen. Ever. Yeah. So you get the point, you know what I mean, that I'm making. But only thing I gotta say, Liv, girl, was just keep being good, you know. Girl, keep selling out them lashes and everything, girl. Matter of fact, Liv, I wanted to know, when are you going to do a video like Chrissy? Like, girl, go get you a real nice hotel, you know what I'm saying? Go find you a girl or a boy, whichever one, you know. And I want to know when you are going to do that video like she did. Or do you really think that that is distasteful? Y'all comment down below and tell me how y'all feel about this. Tell me how y'all feel about that video. Tell me how y'all feel about Liv dragging Chrissy on every chance that she gets. And I gotta say, she is totally succeeding at it. Tell me down below. So until my next video, guys, thanks to my old ones, welcome to my new ones. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I decide to come through with a new video. So with that being said, I am going to see you guys in the next video.